It's Father's Day today. Let's smoke some ribs, specifically baby back ribs. We're gonna start off by drying them off from the package. I give them a good rinse as well. Thicker panky in there.
Ripping it.
Yeah, I know. This one's not coming out there.
Does it hurt the chicken?
Yeah, it hurts the chicken. This poor little chicken.
Why is it so big?
It's a big chicken.
He's fat?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're gonna put it in a binder today. It's got some yellow mustard. Gonna spread that on a little bit. Now we're gonna put on some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. One of the only times you can do something liberally. And we're gonna spread it liberally all around it here. Here you get every single nook and cranny. And the binder helps. You could use other types of rubs, but for this time we're just using some salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a bit of paprika. And we're gonna flip it. Normally, sometimes I do brown sugar, but this time we're not doing brown sugar. I don't want them to be too sweet. We'll do a final rub later when we put some barbecue sauce. That'll give me the sweetness that we'll need. So again, spread all the smoker perfect. Is that gonna fall? I don't know. Maybe. We'll do one at a time. So we're gonna put these guys on there. One there. And one there. All right. Okay, so ribs we're gonna set it to 300 on the smoker here. And we're gonna let it run for an hour and 15, and then we're gonna come back and check it. And we're gonna check if it's nice and yummy, make sure we got enough, yep, we got enough pellets. We're gonna come back, we're gonna do some spritzing with some water or apple vinegar. And then we'll do another hour after that. And then we'll wrap it for another hour. So total of 3 hours. This should be fine. And we'll do a bone check later on. See you in a bit. All right, it's been about an hour and 10 minutes. I was at 311, so I set at 300. We were at 310, 311 degrees. I dropped it to 275, and so we're cranking the temperature down. It's also really windy today, so. Now we're gonna grab just a spray bottle. I have water in here only. And ooh, this is looking mighty good. Give it a good little, oops, too much. Good little spritz in here. All right, close it back up, another hour at 275, and we should be good to go. It is hour number 2 and 15 minutes or so. Let's check on our lovelies here. Ooh boy, look at that. So we know that it's ready to basically put in the bag when the rub doesn't come off. And I'm rubbing it and it ain't coming off, so we're ready to go. So we're gonna do that. I got some corn too. I'm gonna smoke this baby. Let's see. how do I want to do this? Typically I put these on the grill and let them cook like this. And so we'll do that too. We'll put them up out here on the side actually. 1 and 1. Let those guys cook over. So now we're gonna wrap him. Get some good graph. That is freaking bright. And we'll grab one at a time. Put that there. Oh shit. Put that there. Okay. Now, I'm gonna wrap this guy up. I'm gonna make like a little boat, basically. A little boat. And we'll do a final double wrap here. Before we do that, we're gonna put this to the side. Get another little bit of foil. Let's see, how do I do this? It's over here. It's just so windy, I gotta be careful. Okay. I'm gonna grab our apple juice. Only organic apple juice. And basically bites that baby. But we're gonna stagger it this time. No, we're not. We're gonna do this. We're gonna double it up. And this wind's really annoying. We're gonna do that. Get our next one. Get our next delicious, yummy, yummy rib. You know what? Let's do it this way. Put it upside down so we're gonna put it upside down this time, so the bones aren't gonna make a hole in my foil here. Oh yeah, much better. We're still gonna need one more over here, but we need an opening now, so we're gonna do this. Beautiful. Wow. Close this bugger over here. All right. Okay. Same thing. The smell is already amazing. If only you could smell it through YouTube. Close that bad boy up. Okay. Good to go. We'll put these guys back there. Hot. This guy's my little, fuck, it's hot. A little experiment here of it being out of the way. We'll crank it up to 300 again. Let it cook for another hour. I'll see you then. Bye. Time to see where we're at. Take this guy out. Two of 1, 2 of 2, 2 of 3, 2 of 4. Perfect. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna put some yummy dummy. Oh my God, look at that, beautiful. So we're gonna put them here, and then we're gonna baste them with some barbecue sauce.
This. Baba, look. Baba. Watch.
We're gonna keep this sauce here. This is yummy, yummy juice. Oh, geez, Louise, how are we gonna do this? Oh, jeez. Oh my God. because they're so freaking amazingly cooked. So now we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on them. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And just put this guy on there. This is what gives us the final sweetness. Otherwise, the brown sugar is good, but sometimes it's a bit too sweet. Oh my God, color on this thing. All right, let's put these guys back on the grill. They're barbecued up. It's at 311, 312. Have it set at 350. Might take a little bit longer to get there, but we're gonna put them back on anyway. My corn, I'm gonna put it right here. Here we go. Look at them. Basically falling off the bone. You go here. You go here. And you, my little piggy, go here. All right, 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. Maybe crank it to 375 so it gets nice and gummy. Boom, see you in a bit. It's been about 10 minutes. See what we got going on. Oh my God, look at that beautifulness right there. We are good to go, boys. Put this boy to shutdown mode. Y'all ready to eat? Some yummy ribs. Shoo-wee! Give that corn. You want a rib? Look at this! Amazing. Just look. Oh. Say it.
What?
As always,
What?
like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Say it loudly. As always.
As always, like, share, and subscribe.
That's right. We're gonna just go ahead and do this. Watch, without even cutting it. Ready? Check this out. Just poof. Comes right apart. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful. Get started. Oh my God. Glorious.